Quick, I'm doing that badly when I'm trying to do it myself. You've got to be in charge. We've only got a few videos we can do. Woo -hoo. Ticket inspector. Yes. Don't eat that. You won't eat it, you know. That's what I like. That's not good. I should have brought sunflowers, but I can't feed you. How about a kiss? Did you see that? Woo, 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 bite me.
You can't get your ear.
Let him see it.
How do you get an ear? What's wrong with
your
lettuce?
Let him get your hat.
You.
Let him get your hat.
No, I don't want to take your hat off. Look at that, perfect cow, amazing. Hello, pink cockatoo.
Look, get the great white belly seagulls.
Oh!
The kangaroos are fighting.
Don't be jealous.
The kangaroos are fighting again.
There's the white belly seagulls.
See them? Look, they're fighting. Look. Having a go at each other.
We've really got everything going there. What happened there? What were those called down? Seagulls.
White belly seagulls.
Wow. A big flight there. But it's this guy that's really creating this buzz. Hello. Hello, eagle. At least you know that you're hungry. See, if this guy is full, he's not going to eat anything. That's what I like. I don't want to see that. It's too far away. This guy is really impressive. Hello. I've never got an eagle footage like this. You're a great fellow. What do you really say to an eagle? You're one of the best hunters in the world. Being able to catch animals and all. Flying foxes are nothing compared to you. For the entertainment value. Come on. Nothing can bother you. Look, I don't even interested in this piece of paper. Why is this dude annoying me? Where is he from? Ireland? I've never been to that country. Is there any rodents there? Yeah, there's plenty for you to clear out, my friend, and some birds, things like that. Yeah? New? New? Yeah? You are a wedge-tailed eagle.
There, you're not getting all the parrots.
Imagine it gets dark here early. Woo woo! Hello! Woo woo! Don't fight! Here! Be friendly! Be friendly! Come on! Make friends! Don't grab the paper! Hey! A superb parrot! What a good name! Who's this guy? That's a yellow-tailed black cockatoo! Get him over! Quick! Hello! Come on over here! Look at this.
Oh, his mate is coming over.
Why are you going down to the ground? Who's in here? Oh, another guy.
He's coming over.
He wants to see humans. Hello.
Come and get the finger. Come on, finger. Fingy.
He's in a rush.
Fingy.
That's it.
Oh.
Size of his beak. Hello.
Ah.
Oh, we're going to a resting place. Very clever. Attack! Brilliant. What are you doing there? You tick inspector also?
Ah.
Can you do a bigger one? You're better, aren't you? Aren't you? You're gentler. Wow.
Oh, this little beauty is the red.
Doesn't taste too nice. I know, I shouldn't be. Good boy. Whoa! That's brilliant. That guy gives you a real fright. It's like a horror film. Brilliant, these birds. Parrots, best laugh. I have to get one. Look at this guy, he's lovely.
Yellow-tailed black cockatoo.
Come on over here, mate.
We're not filming the science to say what they are.
No, we don't need to. You're shouting them out.
In here we have
More
the
these
eastern
dudes.
rosella and the yellow-tailed black cockatoo. And other little budgies.
Who are these guys?
Australian king parrot, red-tailed black cockatoo, and western rosella.
What are you doing over there now? He wants us back, doesn't he? He's calling us back. Come back for the laugh. These are such good fun.
Here we have the crimson rosella and the yellow-tailed black
Here,
cockatoo.
friends.
And now we get the finger that usually brings them out.
For some reason, finger gets them over, the carnivores. But they won't eat the finger. I'm sure they would hurt. Ah, we've got pinkies again. Pinkies are definitely the best. Who are these little dudes? Hello? He wants us back for the laugh. What's the wallaby doing in there? Who's this guy? There's a ducky. Quack, quack, quack. Whoa, Ibis is not flying, boy. Quack, quack, quack.
Here, look, John. Okay, let's do it.
Quack. What is it? Whoa! The size of this. Now they're big. And it's endangered. So we need to get them on film footage. Birds all over the place. It really is exciting in here, but look at this guy, very handsome. And that one over there, like a nutter. Messing with the pink cockatoo. No? No? You just relax there. Try to make people more to you. So I hope you aren't too relaxing. And these people come and get you. Now I have to do this. Is that any grit? Just standing up there. Hello. Seen you in California, but I was never this close. Oh. The wallaby, oh, more grits. Wow, wildlife in action! In action! Look at Owen strolling, boy. I'm going down to 3 bars, so I need to keep some dingo footage. These guys are good. Blue cassowaries to attack. Hello, birds. Hello, cassowary. What do you want that piece of paper for? Go away. Hello. Just like the emus, cassowaries are a good laugh, but they're obviously a little bit more tougher. That's why they're probably kept in cages. They love my piece of paper, look. And he's not being fun. Are you not being fun?
No.
Cassowary! Has a little chickeny or turkey type trout thing. And look at these guys in here. Hello, Goosey. Look at them doing some hunting. What can you find in there?
That's right, mad, isn't it?
Yeah. What's that? Is that a goose in there? What's he looking for? We're gonna go work on a rice paddy field. No, it's not. It's going on the cassowary. This one isn't as much fun as this guy. This guy is better.
This lad, he's the one who snotted on me the last time. Did you snot on me?
I can't give you ice cream cones, you're not the emu. He's not the emu.